Hi guys, this is Nikhil from Taknick Innovation. Today we'll be learning about all about the ports which are present on Volta and what they do. Because there are two USB ports present on Volta, but both of them do different jobs, like basically provide different power output. So there are 4 ports on Volta. One is called as an NB port, which is an output port as well as an input port, which means in layman's language that this port can provide power as well as take power, take current. So this is a 5 volt 2 ampere port. This is an output port, which means this can charge your devices, like charge your laptop, charge your GoPro, or charge your action cameras, whichever can be charged by USB. This is a QC port. This is a QC port, which means it is a quick charge port. In Volta, you get a quick charge technology, quick charge 2.0 technology. So you can charge your devices twice as faster. So if you're using a smartphone which supports quick charging, different companies have different names for that. Some call it dart charging, some call it storm charging. Different companies call it different things. So if your action camera, if your phone supports quick charge, then you can charge your device with this QC port faster. Then this is a micro USB port. It is an input port. This is where you can charge Volta Multipurpose Powerbank with. This will be a primary charging input. This takes to charge almost like 7 to 8 hours to charge from this input port. So this also, the time varies from different chargers. If you're using a normal charger, it might take longer. If you're using a good charger or a fast charger, this might take a little fast. It will be charged a little bit faster. So we'll focus on this port. This is an NB port, which is also called as an DC port. So what you do is you attach this DC cable. This is a DC cable which comes with your power bank whenever you buy it. So you insert it here, and you take one of your pins. So you'll be getting 1 or 2 pins of whatever laptop you are ordering. So you attach this thing, like the female input of the adapter tip into this thing. Once you've set the correct voltage on the power bank in accordance with your laptop's input power, then you just have to click this button, this side button, and your laptop will start charging. That's all. So thanks for watching this video. I hope all your doubts have been solved. If you like this product, you can check out our website, or you can check the link in the description below, and see you soon.